would like to present to you the revolutionary appliance in the kitchen, WIZNMIX All-in-One. The device's chops, cuts, kneads, mixes, squeezes, and grinds. It's easy to operate, performs the operations in seconds. 3D multi-knife. The patented 3D multi-knife has 6 blades and 4 wings, which ensure all ingredients are cut quickly, thoroughly, and evenly throughout all the height of the bowl in seconds. The 3D multi-knife crushes ice, makes ice cream, grinds meat, preparing hummus dip, grating hard Parmesan cheese, chops carrots, ginger, and other hard vegetables. Silicone cyclone bulb. The amazing cyclone bulb is a worldwide patented unique tool that doesn't exist in any other appliance. The cyclone bulb expands and entrocks as it rotates, creating a cyclonic airflow which results in amazing peeling, whipping, mixing, or frothing in a matter of seconds. It peels garlic, peanuts, and almonds, whips eggs or cream, whisks and froths milk, and mixes tasty sauces. Paddle knife. The paddle knife is a unique tool that doesn't exist in any other appliance. It is used to mix, chop, beat, and knead. It is incredibly versatile, makes iced coffee, and prepares pizza dough. Juicer. The juicer is an optional addition for the WIZNMIX and consists an additional bowl with a spout and a sieve to separate the solids from the liquids. Integrating with the 3D multi-knife, the juicer lets you prepare fresh, healthy fruit and vegetable juices.
WIZNMIX. Our technology patents are registered and have global proprietary rights, including in China. The WIZNMIX meets all international standards.